Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the installation of 3 of the best Magisk modules you can snag for your rooted Android phone in May 2025. These modules can really enhance your Android experience. So let's get started. Before we jump into the individual modules, let's quickly cover the general steps for installing Magisk modules. Make sure you have Magisk Manager installed on your rooted Android device. First, you'll need to download the Magisk Module zip file. You can usually find these in the video description or on trusted forums. Launch the Magisk Manager app on your phone. Tap on the modules icon, which is usually located at the bottom of the app. Look for a plus button at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This will open your device's file manager. Browse your file system and select the zip file of the Magisk module you want to install. Magisk will now begin the installation process. You'll see a log of the installation on your screen. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a reboot button at the bottom. Tap it to restart your phone. This step is crucial for the module to be activated. Now, let's talk about the specific modules we're featuring today. ONU Home 33. This module aims to bring the look and feel of the Samsung One UI launcher to other Android devices. It often includes features like the One UI app drawer, widgets, and customization options. Second is AOSP Dialer Port, the AOSP Android open source project. Dialer is the stock phone application found on many pure Android experiences. This module allows you to install it as a systemless app on your rooted device. Third is Remalwack is an ad-blocking module that works system-wide on your Android device. It helps to block advertisements in apps and web browsers, providing a cleaner and faster user experience. Installed and your phone is rebooted. Remalwack will work in the background to block ad requests. These modules often achieve this by modifying your device's hosts file, which maps domain names to IP addresses. By pointing ad server domains to a non-routable address, the ads are effectively blocked. Remember, download links for all these modules can be found in the video description below. Please exercise caution when downloading and installing Magisk modules from unknown sources. Always stick to reputable sources and be aware of the permissions a module requests. That wraps up our look at these 3 awesome Magisk modules for May 2025. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Android rooting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.